Kailangan atakihin ng Meralco Bolts ang basket from the start all the way to the finish ng fourth quarter. Gusto niya na makita na mas agresibo ang Bolts sa opensa at pilitin mag-foul ang Barangay Ginebra tulad na nakita nyo ngayon. Balik sa'yo, Chick. Balik sa'yo, Magu.
Right on cue. Ayan ka na. Right on cue. Aba na. Ay, Aaron pala. Umatake sa basket si Mercado, nakakuha pa ng foul.
Yun ang aggressiveness na dinadala ni Sol Mercado sa kanyang team.
Binaba niya sa 5 ang abante na itong Gin Kings, 62-57. Laban 2 minuto lumilipas sa ating final quarter. Hop! Snap by Cardona. Cortez diving for it. Dumudulas to sa baseline kaya humingi sila ng traveling. Mercado, kanino na. Up! Enrico to Canaleta! Two-handed jam! By Nino Canaleta. Unselfish play on the part of Villanueva.
And Villanueva knew that KG Canaleta will display that kind of explosion. Two-handed slam dunk.
Simple lang, parehong 2 points, pero pag tinakdak mo, ayan, yung mga galamay ng barangay, gising na gising dito.
Iba naman ang impact. Makita natin, players diving for the ball. Nakuha ni Mike Cortez. Ito yung pasa. Rico Villanueva could have easily taken the layup shot. Two-handed slam dunk. KG Canaleta.
64-57. Balik sa 7 ang abante ng Gin Kings. We take different looks at that beautiful jam coming from... Ano ba tawag siya? Hindi ka nakasali.
Oh, hindi na pwede sumali yan.
Kung hindi, iaabot na lang sa yung trophy. Kamisa-misa nakakawala. Mercado gusto bawin.
Oh, yes.
Impact basket from the Soul Train.
Tatlo yun.
Trying to silence the crowd. At itong si Mercado, unang 3 pa lang niyan sa ball game na ito.
Pagbago, 4 na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra. Ang sabi ni Sol Mercado, okay, naka-slam dunk si Nino Canaleta, but that's only 2 points. Nakabawi ako, 3-pointer ang akin.
Mercado now 1 for 8 from that distance. What a time for his first 3-pointer to come. Cortez, babawi sa kabilang tulo. No go. Isip with the rebound. At si Villanueva at si Cardona, kanina pa nagpupulitan. Tututukan din natin yan. Mercado against Labagala, giving him space. Mercado going back-to-back. Not this time around. Cardona with the leather. Nice hesitation move.
And again, the second servings for Meralco.
Mabasa dalawa tuloy ang abante ng Gin Kings. Nangangalabog na. Hindi lang kumakatok-katok ang Meralco. Kinakalabog na nila yung gate na itong Ginebra. Intal. Over to Cortez. Full cat hanging in the air is fouled.
Foul number 12, Mark Isis. That's his first second team foul on the Bolts. 2 shots for Mike Cortez.
Grabe yung ginawa na itong Mercado at Cardona. Just when we thought that this place was gonna go nuts, sa 3-pointer ni Mercado, isang magandang follow-up from Cardona, at ito nga, natahimik na naman ang crowd dito sa Big Dome.
Kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan yung offensive rebounding sa game at ang Meralco nakaka-13 offensive rebounds na at ang Barangay Ginebra 9.
And the Gin Kings faithful letting Mercado know how they feel. Mercado with still 10 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Mercado against Labagala, crossover, the Soul Train gets the basket plus a foul.
So Mercado taking over the game for Meralco.
And you have this feeling na ito si Mercado is now starting to figure out yung ginagawa sa kanya nila Bagala. Napigilan man siya ng first half, ng third quarter. Nagsimula siyang umarangkada dito sa fourth quarter. Ito na siya.
And slowly kinakain niya ang depensa dito ni Rob Labagala, and he's using his power, ang kanyang heft, to brush aside ang depensa ni Labagala.
Hindi lang niya makumpleto yung kanyang 3-point play. Last touch pa doon si Umulon.
Tubid checking in na for Labagala.
Ito, bakbaka na. Kagiwa together with Tubid on the floor. Canaleta, Intal, and Villanueva make up the 5 for Ginebra. Binabantay nila Isip, Umulon, Taulaba, Mercado, and Cardona. Kagiwa sa first step, stretches, no go. Taulaba, all 5 fouls in all with the rebound. 10 rebound na para kay Asi. Kumota na rin. Mercado. Tumalbog palabas. Bola na kanino. Lalabas in favor of Ginebra.
Timeout, Barangay Ginebra.
And the Jet Kings.
Basketball left. 7 minutes and 30.
Kagiwa. Punta kay Villanueva. Enrico spinning against Asi. And if it's on Asi, that's 5. Enrico gets the basket.
Asi Tablama is out of the game. Pang-anim na yan. That's 6 personal fouls against Asi Tablama. He's gone. Enrico Villanueva will go to the line to complete the 3-point play. Makita natin yung nangyari. A lot of basketball time left.
No points, 10 rebounds para kay Tarak Asi Taulaba. Hindi pa rin siya makapaniwala sa pagkakatawag sa kanya ng kanyang ika-6 na personal foul.
And you go back to the first quarter, nung naka-pick up si Asi Taulaba ng 3 personal fouls, and that took away from his game.
And then
Shooting nila.
Nakita mo si Mercado looking to create space against Tubid. Nagamit niya yung kanyang mga braso para mailang. Ito si Tubid as Cardona will miss. Pero merong
Looks like
landing
a foul.
spot review na gagawin dito. This is either going to be a regular foul or a landing spot foul on JC Intal. Tuwan-tuwa si Cardona sa nakuha niyang tawag na yun.
Okay, nilureview ngayon ang ating mga referees. And by the way, Magu, I just got a text here all the way from Cagayan de Oro, ang ating big and former junior lightweight boxing champion, Rene Barrientos. At sinasabi niya that he is watching the game intently. Ito, makita natin. Landing spot foul ba yun?
Inaabot yung paa ni Cardona. Sa pagkakataong yun. See how the referees will decide on this.
And the announcement about to be made. Regular foul kaya yun? Or will it be a flagrant?
Sigurado may contact, di lang natin alam kung gaano kagrabe.
Flagrant foul penalty 1 on number 6, JC.
Flagrant foul penalty 1 on JC Intal, and with only 6 minutes remaining in this game, 3 minuto kailangan i-sit out ng Intal.
Malaking bagay ito, partner, no? Because this will turn around the complexion of the game. Unang-una, sabi mo nga, no, si Intal hindi makakalaro for 3 minutes with 6 minutes to go. Mabibigyan ng foul shots ang Meralco plus ball possession on that call.
Ang pagkakaiba nito si Cardona, hindi naman nag-forward. Yung kapirasong forward na nakikita natin sa replay, natural motion na yan.
Yes.
Yung kanina pa talagang forward na forward, you know? As Cardona will
Hindi
miss
naman
the first.
pumasok.
Hindi naman talaga jump shooter si Cardona. Kapiso nga yung talon.
Watch it right here. Nag-forward motion kasi si Intal.
Yun.
At
Ang malas lang na Meralco. Mintis para yung free throw ni Magma Cardona. Mananatili sa kanila possession pero sayang yung 2 points na yun.
but still another opportunity para maka-score.
Cardona for 3. Nope. Look at Ronald Tubid skying high for the rebound.
Ibang klase din, ano, ha?
At yung hiniram niya o hiningi niyang headband kay Cardona, tinamaan din yata sa pagkakataong yun.
At si Omalo naman ang gumagwardya ngayon kay Kagiwa.
Nice
Six
pass!
pass inside.
Kagiwa, alam na alam niya kung nasan palagi si Willie Wilson sa sahig, ano?
Hindi lang yun. Alam na alam niya kung anong gagawin din ng depensa because once sasaksak si Mark Kagiwa, alam niya yung depensa pupunta sa kanya. He's that much of a threat. And as a result, he's always looking to dish. Hinahanap niya kung sino mga kakampi niyang wide open. Kung nga si Wilson, nahanap niya. Hindi pumasok yung unang tira.
Pang-8 mintis na yan in total para sa Barangay Ginebra from the free throw line. Nakakasyam na mintis naman na Meralco. Last time out, split si Wilson. Tignan natin ngayon kung magpareho. Nangarin ang kanya nakuha. So it's a 7-point ball game coming up on 5.5 remaining sa ating laro. 71 para sa Ginebra, 64 para sa Meralco. Mercado, kontra kay Tubid. Ang daming dinaanan ni Tubid bago siya nakarecover. Tinatawag pa niya, atakihin daw siya. Pero si Espinas, iniwan! Si Wilton luwalang ng ring. Nice quick spin on the part of Espinas. Everything but the shot na naman.
Well, may halong malas na yon as far as Espinas was concerned. He was wide open for the shot.
Kagiwa once again, running the show. Going to Wilson, shortstop, Mindis. Wilson looking to keep it alive. Mercado with it. At etong si Soltrain na didiskarte. Nakita niya si Lanete. Ayaw kunin yung tira kontra kay Kagiwa. Dumaan sa pick ni Easy. Lanete flips it up. Mindis. At sa rebound play, merong foul.
Si Villanueva matatawagan.
Napangiti na lang si Enrico. Papalag na si Espinas eh. Bigla sabi ni Rep, hindi naman ikaw eh. Si Enrico naman eh. At penalty na ang Barangay Ginebra. Kanina pa, actually both squads. Hindi matagal na nasa penalty. So free throw shooting time dito para kay Espinas.
And miss free throw once more from Meralco. Kung ano nangyari sa Ginebra in that first meeting against Meralco, ganun din ang nangyayari ngayon sa Meralco. They're missing free throws. Back in that first game, kung saan nanalo ang Meralco over Ginebra, Ginebra missed 17 free throws.
Mindis pareho, pero he gets his own rebound. And re-reset na Meralco ang kanilang atake rito. Mercado kontra Tubid. Duman sa pick ni Ugnatan. The Soul Train with Wilson on him. He's got speed. Puts up a three. Nope. Kikalawit na ni Enrico yung rebound pero nagulantang pa rin siya. Mike Cortez picks it up. Cortez doesn't see the numbers. Nag-aantay ng respa. Kagiwa, ikot daw nila bola.
Again, yung sinasabi natin kanina about controlling the tempo. Very clearly, it's Ginebra that's dictating. Ayun
Mike
pa.
Cortez gets his own miss. Stick back is good.
That
Balik sa
14
siya.
points.
Balik sa siya, mga bante ng Ginebra.
Ang Barangay Ginebra, 40% shooting.
Cardona takes it to the hole. Kick out pass niya, ninakaw ni Cortez. Here comes Tubid on the run. Mercado to beat. Nice fake! And Tubid is hacked by Sol Mercado. No other recourse for the Soul Train but to give up a foul. At may isa pa tayong update dito, no? Yung defensive scheme, yung defensive job na ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra sa Meralco. Etong 66 points na mimiligro maging lowest of the season. Their previous low was 75 points in a 76-75 loss to Petron sa Naga. Meralco, nawala ang liwanag ng kanilang opensa so far here at the Smart Araneta. Tubid took care of the first. Second one, bitin. But it's still good enough for a 13-point lead para dito sa Jenkins. Mercado all the way. Scoops it up and in.
19 points for Soul Train. Paubos na rin ang oras natin dito.
Jenkins know it.
Well, on top of our coverage, ang sabi natin, yung dalawang yardsticks that mapatayan natin that we gave to Barangay Ginebra, hold down the opponent to 85 or less and to less than 40% shooting. And that has been happening all game long.
Ito, may konting liwanag na nagbubukas para dito sa Meralco. They're down by 11. They need a big basket. Mercado for three.
That's it. This game not over.
Kagabi lang. Just over 4 minutes remaining. 22 sa...
Barangay Ginebra, of course, is a better standing and to prevent Meralco from picking up that win number 9. Ito na po ang huling laro ng Meralco sa ating eliminations.
So whatever happens, this is the best elimination round phase para dito sa Meralco. As they will be looking at finishing at 8 and 6. Na-traveling pa si Ronald Tubid. At tandaan natin yung number 2 lang ang pinaglalabanan at number 8 ang pwedeng i-playoff. Everything else quotient. Yung number 8 tapos na.
Nila, Tambarako 6 and 6.
At ito, Barangay Ginebra, na-realize na rin nila yung quotient na iniisip na Meralco. Pag kami nagkatabla-tabla sa second place, doon lang magkaka-playoff. Yung 4th place and 5th place,
Puro quotient yun.
puro quotient. Lalo na yung ang mabigat dyan na dadin, yung 6 and 7. Dahil yung 7, twice to win disadvantage. Yung 6, best of 3. So kung sakasakali, quotient ang paglalabanan dyan, and it's gonna be a 10-point win for Barangay Ginebra, 81-71. Not too important right now, pero it might come into play later on.
Ang hinahanap ng mga komandan dito is to be able to make it to the top